Yeah, she and Triece, you can call her Triece. Part-time wedding singer, family from DC. You can fuck, but not easy, better eat your Wheaties. '09 was on the grind, passing out my CDs. Sipping wine in my wheat Timbs. She like hummus and wheat thins. C-Class 320, petite Benz. Frontin', take a bump, heart flutter like a hummingbird. Bumping my new shit, I really couldn't tell if it's real or she a groupie. I'm good either way, fellatio, we at the movies. She starts talking about this rapper she know. I met him at a show, I vaguely remember, I recollect, but hey yo, what about him? She goes on to say he got shot and people saying my cousin did it, I wasn't with it. It's funny how I never heard nothing about it. Then I remembered that 6-shot 32-6 out with my nigga slid it. In this booth the other night, we at the club, but I left early. That bitch Pearly, I laughed, played it off, I'm like, nah, Triece, somebody got it wrong. But meanwhile, I really know how niggas give it up. It sounds more than likely shorty was the nigga wifey. It's crazy.
It was a surprise, you know. At the time, I just sort of accepted it, you know, when it was happening, and because I had no choice than to accept it because it was just going on. And then when I reflected and had time to look back, you know, I was amazed, really.